Welcome to my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a flatbread, a water thin flatbread. It's famous in Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan. So it's a very thin flatbread. That's as I told you, it's a water thin flatbread. Very easy to make, very few ingredients. Let's start make. But don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Water, yeast, sugar, flour, pass through a sieve, salt, combine well, add the flour to the water we mixed, mix well. Let's make a dough like this, doesn't stick the bowl. Rest for 15 minutes. Cut the dough into 6 pieces. Make into balls. Dust some flour. Press. Push like this to make it thinner. You can do like this also, or you can use a roller to roll it on a medium heat. If you have gas at home, you can turn around this pot to other side and cook the bread on the other end. Pan is already hot now. You can pull it to the sides so all the sides will be cooked at the even time. We can turn it around. The Lavesh bread, made in Turkey, in other places. Now we make at home with very few ingredients. Same structure, same pattern, the coloring, the cooking method, it's everything same. But they make it bigger, either in tandoor. So next process is tasting. Always, right? Tasting. So let's taste this bread. I already started eating it. Sorry, but it's very thin. Nice flavors. We haven't added any oil, right? So it have very, what we can call, very roasty structure for this one, roasty taste, because of this dryness in that dry burns, right? So it have that flavor. It's a very good flavor actually. I have some curry here, so let's taste with the curry how it is. Very good. With the curry, it goes very well. With any, this bread can be used as a roll, huh? Don't miss out. So when you eat, how you eat? Enjoy and eat. How? Enjoy. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out. Subscribe my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. So see you. Bye with a new recipe.